Okay, this is our KM150 HG. You can see here, this is going to be our giveaway one for Christmas with the other ongoing competitions we're going to be doing. So as you can see, I've stripped it down, ready to go. We've seen a couple today in the last couple of days, so it's pretty simple. Just cover bearing, you can have the thing in there, and that's out of your spool level. There's a little spring that goes in there, upside down like that, and that's pretty much it. That's all we're going to change in this one. So let's get those spool spring out. Spring out, that should. There he goes. New one straight in. Put him back over there. We'll get this, get that spring. Push him down. Locks in like that. Piece of cake. That's that one, nice and easy. That one here. Didn't even have to take the handle off for this one. It should just slide straight in there. Remember, you don't want to go onto the top of that seal with anything pointy, so that's why I'm using the rubber end on this, just to make sure she's sitting home. That spring can go back in there. Beautiful, that's sitting back down. Just get him out of the way. Nice. Slide him back on. Well, it depends. It seems to depend on a multitude of different things, on whether they do or don't have a spring in that cover, in that spool cover. Most of them haven't had one. This is the first one out of the 4 reels that have had a spring in there. And with that spring, it becomes a little bit of a pain to put that cap back on. There we go. Right, yeah, got that sorted. Just pop the handle up a little bit, give it a bit of clearance, that's back on. So that's one done. We'll chuck the spool back in. Try it that way. That makes a difference. Look at that, straight away. There you go, just had to have the tongue in the right spot. Okay, so there's our that's a massive improvement. Massive improvement. So there you go, Shimano KM150 HG, 7.21 gears. This will be a prize coming up soon. We're probably going to give it away around about Christmas. We've got some things coming up shortly. I'm just waiting to get it all finalised. Hope you enjoyed it, these last couple of videos, bearing upgrades. Thanks to our awesome sponsors, Boca Bearings. If you need to upgrade or just do some general once a year maintenance, time to upgrade and swap over, try something new. Ceramic, fully stainless steel outer cases with ceramic, so they're awesome for salt water. High speed, definitely an improvement. Definitely worth the go. You can order me kits, that's a kit there. Go online, get your model. You can go off by size if you don't have if you've got a model that doesn't come up. If not, contact Jeff at Boca Bearings and he can definitely help you out. He set me up with most of the stuff I got here so I could do what I wanted to do, and he was very helpful. They always get straight back to you. Couldn't ask for a better customer service. Anyway, that's us for today. Shimano KM Boca Bearing ceramic upgrade. Have a great day.